Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see OnlyFans post without subscription. But first, check out our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you're wondering, can you actually access OnlyFans post without actually subscribing to what we call a paywall inside OnlyFans? Now, we all that content on OnlyFans here is sometimes kind of interesting. So sometimes those content are actually hidden behind what we call a paywall. But in order for you to access those content, you need to pay for it. That's why it's called a paywall. Now, the thing with OnlyFans here, and this is not frequently discussed. Now, the thing with content inside OnlyFans, they are what we call copyright protected. So, meaning anything or any content that you're seeing inside OnlyFans should be viewed or accessed legally, and that's through their what we call the paywall or the subscription that we're seeing right now. So, can you actually access post here without any subscription? Well, the direct and simple answer to that is no. You won't be able to access those content without actually subscribing to them. But the thing with OnlyFans is they do have an option here, or they give you the option to basically subscribe to certain accounts that gives out free subscriptions, in which in this case you get certain content that you could basically view for free, photos, videos, and a lot more. So how do you access those specific accounts? Well, first things first is you want to go and just go to OnlyFans here and basically log in into your account. Now, usually at the right side of your screen, you should see the suggestion section here. So if you click on the show only free section that has the price tag / icon on it, it will basically give you accounts that offers free subscriptions. So once you do click on it, you can go and just click on the refresh button here if you're looking for a very specific profile or account here. And once you do see that, you can go and just click on their name here or their profile or their banner here. And you can go and just click on the subscribe for free button, and you should now be able to access content, post videos for that specific account. Now, like what I'm saying here, this is the only free way for you to access those content. Now, if you're looking for someone specifically, you may want to visit their socials here, especially Instagram or even X here, and see if they do have an alternate account that offers free subscription. So if you really, really want to access their content here. But yeah, so currently this is the only way for you to do this, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.